A virus carried silently by rodents can suddenly trigger severe respiratory failure. In humans with alarming speed, this is the reality of hantavirus. Hantaviruses are enveloped single-stranded RNA viruses, belonging to the Hantaviridae family. Different hantaviruses can cause severe diseases affecting either the lungs or the kidneys. These pathogens are unique in their genetic makeup and evolutionary history. Understanding their structure is key to understanding the threat they pose. Hantaviruses are primarily transmitted through inhalation of aerosolized particles, contaminated with rodent urine, droppings, or saliva. When these environments are disturbed, the virus becomes airborne. Once inhaled, the virus begins its journey deep into the human body. Simple environmental exposure can lead to a life-threatening infection. This airborne transmission is the most common route of infection. After entering the body, hantaviruses infect endothelial cells, lining blood vessels, causing vascular leakage and severe inflammation. This leakage leads to a dangerous buildup of fluid. In the lungs, this results in rapid respiratory distress. The body's own immune response can sometimes worsen the damage. The cardiovascular system soon begins to fail under the strain. Early symptoms include fever, fatigue, headache, and muscle pain. They are often mistaken for the common flu at first. Severe cases may rapidly progress to coughing and pulmonary edema, followed by respiratory failure and shock. This progression can happen in a matter of days. Medical intervention must be immediate. Different hantavirus species exist worldwide. In the Americas, some strains cause Hantavirus Pulmonary Syndrome. In Europe and Asia, others may cause hemorrhagic fever with renal syndrome. The geographic range of these viruses is expanding. Monitoring these regions is a global health priority. Preventing hantavirus infection depends on controlling rodent exposure, safely cleaning contaminated environments, and avoiding inhalation of infected dust. Wet cleaning methods are essential to keep particles out of the air. Protecting your home is the first line of defense. Awareness in outdoor activities is equally vital. There is currently no universally approved specific antiviral treatment. Early supportive medical care remains critical for survival. Oxygen therapy and fluid management are key components. The search for effective vaccines and antivirals continues. Early detection significantly improves the chances of recovery. Hantaviruses are scientifically important because they demonstrate how environmental exposure can lead to emerging infectious diseases. They highlight the complex relationship between animal reservoirs and us. Studying them helps us prepare for future outbreaks. This is the front line of environmental health research. Hantavirus highlights the close connection between human health, wildlife ecology, and environmental safety. Awareness and prevention remain essential tools for reducing risk. Protecting our health begins with understanding the environment around us.